11 years in exile. While Arjuna was staying with his father Indra in Amravati, he would think about his wife and brothers. So he sent Rishi Lomasa to earth to inquire about their well being and also inform them that he will meet them in the hermitage of Narayana in the Himalayas. When Lomasa met the Pandavas, he found that they were missing him. He informed them that Indra has advised them to spend their time in exile, traveling. Also, spend time with sages, hear stories, learn new skills, and gain wisdom so that when they return after 13 years, they will be a better ruler. So the Pandavas, along with sages Dhaumya, Narada, Parvata, and Lomasha, went on pilgrimage to south, east, and then west. They took bath in the holy rivers, took dip in lakes guarded by ancient gods, and meditated in caves. During the journey, they met great rishis such as Brihadashva and Arshitsena, who told many stories and discussed philosophies which enriched Yudhishthira intellectually. The rishis told Yudhishthira the importance of balancing spiritual pursuits with material needs. They told him the value of marriage, the value of sons, and the importance of keeping one's words. They told him tales about kings who showed the importance of worldly responsibilities. One must accept that one's life is the result of his past karmas and one has the power to choose one's response to every situation. The truth resides in one's heart and the insight of working of the world gives peace of mind. The rishis told Yudhishthira stories of greed and tales of leaving behind a legacy through generosity. The rishis told Yudhishthira about his great ancestor Kuru, who kept tilling the earth using his flesh as seeds and blood as water. Indra asked him what he wants. Kuru's wish was that those who die by renunciation or death in war on the land he has tilled should go to paradise instantly. This land area was known as Kurukshetra.